Hello student, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC and date is 6th May 2021. So lesson 8, Teeth and Microbes. We are studying lesson 8, Teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. We are studying this lesson. Last time we have studied about the started this lesson in which we studied about the teeth. We have two sets of the teeth. One is temporary teeth and other is the permanent teeth. Temporary teeth are found in our childhood, and these teeth, its number of the temporary teeth, it is also called as the milk teeth. Its number is 20, and in due course of the time, these milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. In adult, the number of permanent teeth is 32, 16 in each jaw. Teeth are composed of calcium and phosphorus. So we have to study in detail about the teeth today. Kinds of teeth. First, for the kinds of teeth. All the teeth are not of the same type, but we have various type of the teeth. So we have to study how many type of teeth and their functions. So kinds of teeth. Kinds of teeth. Kinds of teeth. All the teeth in the mouth are not of the same shape and size. They are of four kinds. So, kinds of teeth, how many types? Four kinds. Number one is incisor. Incisors are biting teeth. Biting teeth. Incisor are the biting teeth. Incisor are the front teeth. Teeth which are found the front side of our the buccal cavity are called as the incisor. You know that while you eat an apple, by which teeth you eat? You eat by the incisor. You cut the bread by your teeth, by the incisor or the biting teeth, whose teeth is found front side. On diagram it is given for the incisor. You see the diagram of the teeth. You know this is the which is found. You know this side which is found this side, and here this is called as the incisor or the biting teeth. So incisors are at front of the mouth. They are flat and have sharp, straight edges. They are eight in numbers, four teeth each in upper and lower jaws. These teeth help in biting the food. Its number is 4 in each jaw. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. It is meant for biting. Now next, canine. It is found next to incisor and either side of the incisor one pointed teeth is present, and this teeth is called as the canine. You know very well about the dogs. Some pointed teeth are there, both the sides. In the cat, you have seen pointed teeth. Still, these teeth are the canine. Canine are well developed in carnivorous animals. This teeth is responsible for tearing the food, tearing the flesh when it is meant. So it is very well developed in carnivorous animals. So canines are on either side next to the incisor. They are pointed and sharp. They are four in number, two each in upper and lower jaws. These teeth help tear the food. So next one is the incisor. After that, canines. Canines. These are meant for tearing all the foods. Name given as the tearing teeth. Tearing teeth. Its number is 2 in each jaw. 2 in each jaw, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Its function is to tearing at the food. It is meant for the tearing of food. It is well developed in carnivorous animals like dogs, lion, tiger, etc. etc. And after that, neck teeth is premolars. Next one, the premolars. Third, premolars. Premolars are on either side of. Premolars are on either side next to the canines in each jaw. They are 8 in all, 4 on top and 4 at the bottom. They are flat and broad. They are flat and broad teeth which make them perfect for crushing and grinding the food. It is meant for the crushing and grinding of the food. Its number is 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Its number is 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So incisor, canine and premolars. And next one is molar. Next one is molars. After premolars, fourth is molars. Molars are on either side next to premolars and at the back of the mouth. These are found at the back of the mouth. These are 12 in numbers, 6 in each jaw. They are broader than the premolars. They grind the food. The two end molars on both sides are also known as wisdom teeth. So actually wisdom teeth comes nearly 8 as the age of the 40s nearly. And actually as name indicate wisdom, it is no relation to the wisdom, but it causes some problems only. So it is 12 in number. So it's 6 in upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. 3 this side and 3 this side in upper jaw and the lower jaw. So in this way, these are different type of the teeth. This incisor, this is meant for the biting. Its number is the 4. It is found 4 in the each jaw. And next after incisor, the canines. It is meant for tearing of the food. Its number is the 2 in each jaw. And next in the premolars. And premolars, it is found just after the canines. And its number is the 4 in the each jaw. And it is meant for the grinding and tearing of the food. And the molars, it is found just after the premolars, and its number is the 6 in each jaw, and it is also meant for the tearing, meant for the grinding of the food. So that's for today. Thank you.